welcome back to our gardening channel. Today, we have an amazing gardening hack that will revolutionize the way you plant flowers, shrubs, and vegetables in your garden. Are you ready to plant 100 plants in just 1 hour? Let's get started. The secret to this ultimate gardening hack is using a drill. Yes, that's right, a drill. It's a simple and efficient tool that will save you a ton of time and effort. Here's how it's done. First, attach a special planting bit to your drill. These bits are specifically designed for planting and will make the job so much easier. Dig a small hole in the ground by slowly pressing the drill into the soil. Make sure the hole is deep enough to accommodate the plant's root ball. Now, gently remove the drill, and it's time to plant. Simply insert the plant into the hole, making sure it is secure. Firmly press the soil around the plant to ensure it's properly in place. Repeat this process for each plant, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can plant 100 plants in just an hour.